Hello, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back from holiday and welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for education and purpose. Make sure to do your own research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Let's starting off with the commodities market update. Overnight, the soybean oil July month rose 0.05 to 43.73. And today onwards, the soybean oil futures will be traded on the December month, which is the next active month. And the Darlene active farm oil contracts dropped about 22 points to 775 at yesterday night sessions. Malaysia palm oil futures show a little movement on Friday before a prolonged weekend as investors consider the impacts of reduced price of competing oils and weaker ringgit. The futures contract August month up 10 points only to close moderately higher at 3946. In a recent fundamental updates, the Malaysia Palm Oil Council MPOC forecast the price could find support near 3,900 per ton in June, buoyed by the tightening supply from Malaysia and Indonesia expected in the later half of 2024, alongside the rising shipment. However, the MPOC cautious that the price may encounter resistance around 4150 per ton due to the projected supplies of oilseed anticipated in the coming months. Now we are focusing on the chart. In the daily charts, the palm price continue to find support at the range of 3925 to 20, but they are also facing a resistance below 4,000 level. Analysis of the hourly charts indicates the formations of lower high after it came down from the high price of 3983, suggesting a potential shift towards a downward channel. In the recent decline in Dalian palm price might influence a weak opening in the local markets. A critical support is identified in the range at 3,900 to 3,895 range, which is the crucial critical support level, marking the bottom of the newly formed downward channels. Staying above this line could present buying opportunities, while the resistance is anticipated around 3,950 to 3,955. However, failure to maintain the support level could lead to further decline, with the next support projected between 3,970 to 7.5 range. Traders should remain cautious regarding any potential change in the directions. So for morning sessions, our recommendation on FCPO market will be short positions may be open below 3,935 with the target at 3,898 to 3,870 with the stop loss at 3,965. Alternatively, long positions may be open above 3,935 with the targets at 3,951 to 3,982 with the stop loss at 3,905. Now we are turning our focus to the latest update in the index market. The Dow Jones surged 188 points overnight to reach 38778. This can mark an end to the Dow's 4-day losing streak. Concurrently, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq achieved a record closing high on Monday, propelled by a surge in the technology stock fueled by the optimism surrounding artificial intelligence. The investors are closely monitoring the upcoming economy data and Federal Reserve speech for the potential insight into monetary policy. Meanwhile, in the local market, the benchmark FPM-KLCI index experienced a decline on Friday sessions, influenced by the profit-taking activities, cautious market sentiment that subdued the trading. The futures contract FKLI June contract saw a decrease of 4 points, closing at 1608.5 points. Now looking at the charts, the daily chart indicates that the FKLI rebounded from the Friday sell-off, closing above both the lower boundary of the downward channels. And the support level is at 1602, indicating it's remained in the sideways consolidation phase. Okay. On hourly charts, the price continued within a downward channels, but recent movement suggests the potential upward trend supported by the gain in the US market overnight, which may lead to the higher opening in the local markets. A break above 1610 could signal further upwards, whereas the to do so could result in the continued consolidation trading. Immediate resistance is anticipated between 1613 to 14 with the support adjusted to the range of 1605 to 06. For morning sessions on FKI market, our recommendations will be long positions may be open above 1610 with the target at 1617 to 1622 and a stop loss at 1605. Okay. Alternatively, short positions may be open below 1610 with the target at 1605 to 1601 with the stop loss at 1615. Okay. And that is our view for the morning sessions. As we conclude today's analysis, remember that the market is always changing and successful trading involves sizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market shift, protect your capital, and trade wisely. Keep in mind that everyone's perspective is subjective, and the views presented here are for reference. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.